What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to a really quick episode. If you're dealing with a carburetor, make sure your positive and negative side are clean, hooked up right. So yesterday I took Presley out with my girl, and we ended up stalling in the middle of the intersection. Thought it was the low fuel, but then I'm like, no, I put some fuel, of course, in there. But I realized the distributor gave me problems in Atlanta. So brought him home, and then now I'm working on him. And let me show you what I recently found. And of course, we got fuel, we got air, spark. Let me show you. All right, guys. So this is the distributor cap. Check this out. The guy before me never, look how easy that is to take off. He never closed that on the positive side. So we just gotta make sure it's tight and closed in order for him to start, because we have fuel. So now, and negative side is right here and it's hooked up. So now we just gotta hook him up straight and make it bite. But I'm gonna go ahead and just change this distributor cap. I might as well change the whole thing, honestly. I just want, a new mechanical fuel pump. The carb is clean. Distributor cap. The fuel filter I recently cleaned it about 3 months ago. So yeah, now he fires right up, and it just needs to be held on because it's super loose, and based on the engine, the vibration, and it starts coming off, voila, you get no spark. It never came off when it stalled in the intersection. It never came off. It was just super loose. So yeah, that was the problem. Take care, you guys. Just make sure we got good connection. See ya.